If you'd like to use your Windows user ID to access Exchequer, simply go to the Utilities menu, select System Setup and Users, and by entering the relevant domain and user ID, you'll be now prompted with your Windows password to log into Exchequer. Under the configuration area of user management, you can set password strength and complexity rules for users to comply with when setting their Exchequer passwords, helping Exchequer comply with your internal password and security management processes. You'll also find import tools here if you need to import a new set of users to Exchequer simply and easily from an Excel spreadsheet. You can download the CSV file, input it, and then upload back into Exchequer.